Imagine a journey where a humble carrot, once just a tiny seed in the soil, embarks on an incredible transformation, emerging as a crisp, market-ready vegetable that finds its way to your table. What if every single step, from planting to final delivery, was designed with precision to preserve its natural freshness and quality? Today, let's uncover that complete process. Welcome. In this video, we take you behind the scenes of carrot production, exploring every stage of the journey. We'll discuss how carrots are carefully sown in the field, then nurtured, harvested, thoroughly washed, and expertly packed for market. In addition, we'll touch on quality control, sustainable farming practices, technological innovations, worker safety, and how efficient distribution benefits you, the consumer. By understanding each step, you will appreciate the dedication and innovation that ensure every carrot is as nutritious and flavorful as nature intended. Main process. The journey begins long before the carrots emerge from the ground. It starts with sowing, the careful planting of tiny seeds in well-prepared, nutrient-rich soil. Farmers start by tilling the soil, ensuring it is loose and free of large clumps. Carrot seeds, being very small, must be planted at a shallow depth and spaced appropriately to allow for even growth. This early stage is critical. Proper sowing and early irrigation, along with diligent weed control, set the foundation for healthy root development. Attention to detail during sowing ensures that each seed germinates uniformly, leading to a bountiful and high-quality crop. As the carrots mature slowly and evenly in the field, the next step is harvesting. When the carrots reach their optimal size, farmers begin the careful extraction process. This can be done by hand or with specialized machinery designed to gently loosen the surrounding soil. The key here is to pull the carrots out without causing any damage to their delicate roots. Each carrot is then inspected. Only those that are firm, well-formed, and free of blemishes are selected for further processing. This thorough quality check during harvest is essential, as it preserves the natural flavor, crispness, and nutritional value that consumers expect. Gentle handling at this stage is the first step toward ensuring that only the best carrots make it to market. Once harvested, the carrots are transported to a processing facility where cleanliness becomes paramount. At the washing station, the carrots enter a multi-step cleaning process. Initially, they are fed into a system that uses a combination of water and a mild, food-safe cleaning solution to loosen and remove dirt and debris. Some facilities employ gentle brushes that softly agitate the carrots, ensuring that any residual soil is dislodged without harming the vegetable. After this, a fresh water rinse removes any traces of the cleaning agents, and the carrots are allowed to dry. This meticulous washing process guarantees that every carrot is spotless, safe to eat, and ready for the next phase, all while maintaining the natural taste and nutritional integrity of the produce. After washing, the carrots are considered pristine and move on to the packing stage. Here they are sorted by size, shape, and overall quality. Skilled workers or automated systems inspect each carrot to ensure it meets strict standards. Any carrot that does not pass the quality check is removed from the batch. The selected carrots are then carefully arranged and packed into specially designed containers that protect them from bruising during transit. Often, the packing area is kept at a controlled temperature to further preserve freshness. This careful sorting and packing process ensures that when the carrots are delivered to the market, they look as fresh as when they were first pulled from the field. Throughout every stage, from sowing to packing, rigorous quality control measures are implemented. Regular inspections, both manual and automated, ensure that each carrot meets predefined standards for color, texture, and nutritional content. Laboratory tests are sometimes conducted to verify that the produce is free from contaminants. These ongoing checks play a vital role in guaranteeing that only the highest quality carrots continue on their journey. Every inspection point is a safeguard, assuring consumers that the carrots they purchase are safe and of superior quality. Modern carrot farming isn't just about producing great vegetables. It's also about doing so sustainably. Many farmers now employ eco-friendly practices such as crop rotation, organic fertilization, and water-conserving irrigation systems. These methods not only enhance soil fertility, but also minimize the use of harmful chemicals. By reducing pesticide usage and adopting energy-efficient practices, carrot growers are committed to protecting the environment and preserving resources for future generations. Sustainability in farming practices ensures that while you enjoy fresh, delicious carrots, the earth that nurtured them continues to thrive. Technology plays an increasingly important role in agriculture. Advanced machinery and precision farming techniques allow farmers to monitor soil moisture, temperature, and nutrient levels in real time. GPS-guided equipment helps in planting seeds with remarkable accuracy, ensuring optimal spacing and reducing waste. In processing facilities, automated washing and packing systems improve efficiency and reduce human error. These innovations not only streamline operations, but also ensure a consistent, high-quality product. By embracing modern technology, the carrot production process becomes more efficient, environmentally friendly, and capable of meeting growing market demands. Behind every successful harvest and processing operation are well-trained, dedicated workers. Comprehensive training programs ensure that farm laborers and processing plant employees understand how to handle carrots delicately and follow stringent safety protocols. This training minimizes the risk of injury and product damage, contributing to overall quality. Safety is a top priority on the farm and in processing facilities, where proper equipment, regular safety drills, and ongoing education protect both the workers and the produce. Skilled, safety-conscious employees are key to maintaining a smooth and efficient production process. Once the carrots are carefully packed, the journey isn't over yet. They must be distributed to market. This stage involves a well-coordinated logistics network that often includes temperature-controlled transport to ensure the produce remains fresh. Efficient distribution practices are essential for minimizing transit time and preventing quality loss during shipping. Modern logistics systems track shipments in real time, ensuring that carrots reach local markets promptly and in optimal condition. The post-packing distribution phase is a critical link between the production facility and your local grocery store, guaranteeing that the freshness of the carrots is maintained until they arrive at your table. Finally, all these meticulous steps from sowing and harvesting to washing, packing, and distribution result in tangible benefits for you, the consumer. The rigorous quality control and sustainable practices ensure that you receive a product that is not only fresh and flavorful, but also nutritious. Consumers benefit from the commitment to safety, environmental stewardship, and the use of innovative technology throughout the process. In short, every carrot you purchase is a testament to the hard work, care, and dedication invested in its journey, providing a healthier and more reliable produce experience. Let's recap the essential points. Sowing. Proper seed planting and early care set the foundation for healthy, uniform carrots. Harvesting. Gentle extraction and careful inspection preserve natural quality and flavor. Washing. A precise cleaning process removes impurities while maintaining nutritional value. Packing. Thoughtful sorting and temperature-controlled packaging protect the produce during transit. Quality control. Ongoing inspections and tests ensure safety and consistent excellence. Sustainability. Eco-friendly farming practices protect the environment while producing high-quality carrots. Innovation. Modern technology streamlines the entire process, boosting efficiency and quality. Worker safety. Comprehensive training and strict safety protocols keep both workers and produce safe. Distribution. Efficient logistics ensure that fresh carrots reach the market in optimal condition. Consumer benefits. All these efforts combine to deliver carrots that are fresh, tasty, and nutritious. That's the full journey of a carrot. From the careful sowing of seeds in nutrient-rich soil, through meticulous harvesting, washing, and packing, to efficient distribution and final arrival at your table. Every stage of this process reflects a commitment to quality, innovation, and sustainability. If you found this behind-the-scenes look valuable, please share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more insights into how our food makes it from the farm to your plate. Thank you for watching.